how to remove parental control on Roblox. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna enter the Roblox right here, and once you go into a Roblox, you're gonna go ahead to the settings at the top right. All right, so next you're gonna go to setting. All right, and you're gonna see right here display name, username, password, phone number, email address, and all that. Okay, next you're gonna see the security section, privacy, billing, and parental controls. So we're gonna select the parental controls, and here it says parent pin is disabled. So if you are a parent and you want to enable this, we're gonna just click enable, and it says right here you must verify your email before you add the pin. So I need to verify my email until I am able to enable this. All right, so if you're a parent and you verified your account, you gotta just turn on the parent pin is enabled, and once you turn it on, you're gonna enter the pin so your child can play on your watch. Okay, and here, which is important section, which is allowed experience, choose the highest age guideline of experience this account can join. All right, if your kid was like 13 plus, that means he can play games that are suitable for 13 years old. And here it says 9 years old or plus, and this is suitable for age 19 and more. And here it says all ages. If you want to be all ages, you can just click all ages. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video you upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.